try to get a really good one here. Let's get one for the camera here. Grab the spoon. Grab the spoon. No, you're okay. You're... No, 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 no. No, no, no. It's okay. It's okay. Here, let's try one more. You just get a little excited. Nice, nice. Let's get. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, you're doing it.
There's our little chow hound.
You're doing it. You're doing it, sweetie. Yeah.
How long have we been experimenting? A week?
Yeah, this is probably our fourth time, right?
And this is try number 4, and this is the first time. Like suddenly, she's just getting it.
Yeah, the last couple of times, she 10 minutes in, she started to adapt a little better, but now, right from the beginning, she's doing well. Hi. Here, let's get that little mustache off of you. That's so cool. Let's see if that
Avery,
works
very
again.
good. Very good.
Yeah, man.
Rice cereal.
Yeah. So the first thing she's really actually eating is rice cereal.
Mm-hmm.
And now look at this. Hold the spoon, and it's like, nice. Nice job. That one didn't go so well, but.
Well done.